Have you ever wondered why some Bitcoin holders seem to have a sixth sense about when to sell? It might have something to do with two intriguing on-chain metrics that hint at a potential 20% correction for the cryptocurrency. Let's dive into these fascinating insights. And first up, let's talk about the mean value to realized value ratio. Now, analysts use this metric to predict corrections based on the theory of idea of mean reversion. Essentially, they combine the MVRV ratio found on CryptoQuant with Bollinger Bands, a tool indicating whether an asset is overbought or oversold. Interestingly enough, when the extreme ends of these bands are breached, price action tends to move towards the mean. And recently, the upper band was surpassed. However, the MVRV ratio returned within the bands, suggesting it will likely shift lower to meet the 365 period moving average. If so, this means a 20% reduction in Bitcoin's price may occur, landing the MVRV ratio around 1.7, perfectly normal for a reset following a bullish run. In fact, history shows that Bitcoin experiences such resets periodically throughout each bull cycle. And then next, let's look at the alignment to introduce you to the spent output profit ratio. And so simply put, this little guy helps determine just how profitable market participants are. And as of late, the 7-day exponential moving average reached a high of 3.7 on March 23rd, only to plummet shortly afterward. So what does this mean exactly? Well, those holding on to their Bitcoins are currently quite comfortable, having made a nice chunk of change despite the recent market turbulence. But here's where things get interesting. The present scenario mirrors a significant SOPR peak observed all the way back in July 2019. However, unlike 3 years ago when the market signaled a bearish reversal, today's environment points to a thriving bull market instead. So buckle up, because volatility may very well be knocking at our door once again. Now, you might think these numbers sound intimidating, but remember that understanding them can give you an edge as an investor. After all, knowledge is power. With that said, thanks for joining me on this mini journey through the world of crypto analytics. And stay curious, my friend. Who knows what other hidden gems await us in the vast universe of blockchain data?